In this video, I'll show you how to open the VPN in the Opera browser on your laptop step by step. Before we begin, if you want a faster, more secure, and reliable VPN that works across all your devices, NordVPN is the best option out there. It's perfect for streaming, gaming, and keeping your browsing private. You can find a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Now, let's focus on Opera's built-in VPN. Opera VPN is a free and unlimited feature that's built right into the browser, designed to protect your internet traffic just within Opera itself. Since it's browser-based, it's very easy to use. No need to download extra software or create an account. To enable it, first make sure Opera is installed on your laptop. Then click the three lines icon in the top right corner of the browser. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu, and here you'll see the VPN option. Click to enable it. A notification will pop up letting you know that activating the VPN might affect your connection speed. Keep in mind, the farther the server is from your actual location, the slower your internet might be. Click I understand, and then turn the VPN on. By default, Opera VPN connects automatically to the most optimal location within three general regions: America, Asia, and Europe. A blue VPN icon will appear in the address bar to show that the connection is active. You can also manually select the region you want, though you can't pick a specific country. Keep in mind, Opera's VPN only protects traffic inside the browser, not your entire internet connection. So, if you want complete protection across all apps, faster speeds, and the ability to pick exact countries, NordVPN is the better option. Check out NordVPN using the link in the description.